really appreciate this.
Yeah.
I do. I mean,
Absolutely.
Thank you
If
so very
y'all-
much.
Yeah.
If y'all get
God bless
walls
you.
and stuff on, and y'all need help painters, we'll just grab a bunch of people and come up and
Well,
get
I'll tell you what,
painted.
I will keep y'all in contact.
Yeah.
If any of y'all do Facebook, I am on Facebook under Vintage Hair Company. Look us up. It's my logo is on there. Follow along. You'll see our rebuild process, not just
Okay.
mine, but as we
Cool.
do the center.
Yeah.
I'm trying to keep as much as awareness as I can with us, and we're gonna come back. We're
Yeah.
gonna
All right.
we're
Great.
gonna get us all back up and going.